Mary, I need help. I deleted the client database by mistake.
What? Which database?
The sales folder. All the client contacts. I pressed the wrong button.
Okay, don't panic. Did you check the recycle bin?
Yes, it is empty.
What about the backup system? We do a backup every night.
I don't know how to access it. This is my first week.
That's okay. Come here, I'll show you.
I'm so sorry, Mary. This is a big mistake.
Yes, but we can fix it. Open the server dashboard, click on Restore.
I see it. Should I click Restore Last Backup?
Yes, that one. Wait for it to load.
It's working. The files are coming back.
Good. Next time, always ask before you delete anything.
I will. Thank you for helping me.
No problem. That's what the team is for.